Mumbai police have confirmed that around 4 to 5 people are likely trapped under the debris following a landslide in Kurla's Ashoknagar. DCP Ganesh Shinde has stated that 2 bodies have been recovered so far, with the landslide occurring around 3 a.m. Following heavy rain, police, BMC, NDRF and other agencies have been deployed at the site, and rescue operations are currently underway to trace and evacuate those still feared trapped. Let's in fact listen into this soundbite.
बारिश के चलते हुए घाटकोपर पुलिस थाने के अशोकनगर के एरिया में यहाँ पे लैंडस्लाइड हुआ है। 2 लाशें अभी तक बरामद हुई है और बाकी रेस्क्यू का काम टीम्स कर रही है। यहाँ पे पुलिस भी तैनात है और बाकी सारे जो रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन में होने चाहिए वो भी सारे जो टीम्स है वो तैनात है। बीएमसी के ऑफिशियल्स है, एनडीआरएफ के ऑफिशियल्स है, बाकी सारे ऑफिशियल्स है। रात को करीब 3 बजे की घटना है, थोड़े से आगे पीछे बारिश के चलते ये घटना हुई।
All right, Shweta, when we talk about the rescue aid that is present over there, how many teams of all of these local administrations are present in terms of this rescue operation? And also, what exactly are the authorities talking about in terms of the people that have been fear trapped?
Right. In fact, this particular landslide has occurred at Gaushia Chaul, that is, near about Ghatkopar area that comes between Kurla and Ghatkopar though. And here what we also see that initially it was stated near about 3 to 4 people were suspected to be trapped. But now as the rescue operations are still underway, people are fearing that this number would increase. And now, as per the fresh information we have sought from NDRF and BMC officials, it states that near about 6 people are feared to be trapped under the debris. Now we ask me how many officials are being on spot with the local administration and other agencies. Now these officials are there at the spot with cluster teams. Now somebody is looking after the rescue operation, somebody is also looking after the people as and when they are in fact being taken out of debris, they are being shifted to the nearby government hospital. So clearly we see that the officials from BMC, that's from the civic body, from the NDRF team, as well as from the fire brigade team, and also from Mumbai police, these people are present at the spot. And as just a short while back we have heard from the DCP, he stated that this incident occurred around 3 a.m. And now as we see that he was speaking about how due to incessant rain that was taking place yesterday, this landslide has occurred and 2 people have lost their life in this incident.
And Shweta, what exactly are the challenges that are being posed in front of these people who are trying to rescue the people who have been fear trapped and are carrying out this operation? And also talking about this, another thing is when we talk about the Mumbai designated officer Gajanan Jait Parker, he has also said that notice was served to these people that they were given to these several houses before the monsoon struck. So in terms of all of these developments, what are you getting to know?
Right. So in fact, very important question you have asked. And of course, this is not the first time we are reporting about the landslide that takes place in Mumbai. And earlier also we have seen that in this particular patch where we are reporting this particular landslide, in this patch only from Kurla to Manpur, in this belt, year after year, every monsoon, there are some of the other landslides that take place. Importantly, one should understand these houses are actually made, these are moreover shanties, not houses exactly, and they collapse after heavy downpour, and one after the other in a landslide manner these houses collapse. And that is right. In fact, what has been stated by the officer that already a notice was served before monsoon hit, and the evacuation notice. This is a part of the procedure that this comes under monsoon pre-preparedness, where the houses, the danger and the risky houses are being identified. They are served with a notice, and the people living there are asked to evacuate and go to a better area. That is again provided by the officials. But again, clearly when 2 people have lost their life, BMC should be accountable, but clearly they are stating that the notice was already served. This will be important again to see when was this notice served? Was it very on a very short time and people had no chance to move out from there? Or something was served before 2 months or something like that. It is something very important to understand. But unfortunately, Ria, every year we report the same tragedy of landslide in that particular belt where people lose their life, but no lesson learned. We have been on ground reporting this, and we see that how later on politicians come, then people are asked to leave that place. But this particular thing happens year after the year, every monsoon.